In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create handouts in PowerPoint for Mac. Handouts are a fast way to give your audience a compact version of your slides, complete with optional note lines or speaker notes, and you can print them or save them as a PDF. Let's walk through the process from start to finish. Start by opening the PowerPoint presentation you want to use. At the very top of your screen, click File. From the menu that opens, choose Print. This brings up the print dialog, which is where you'll set all the options for your handouts and preview what they'll look like. First, choose how many copies you need. In the copies box, type the number of sets you want. The default is 1, and this controls how many handout sets are produced, not how many slides go on each page. Next, decide which slides to include. Under the Slides section, pick All to print the entire deck, or From and To specify a continuous range. If you only want certain slides, choose Selected Slides to print only what you highlighted in the thumbnail pane, or pick Custom Range. For a custom set, use commas to separate individual slides, like 1, 3, 5, and use hyphens for ranges like 1 to 5. You can combine both if needed. Now choose the layout for your handouts. Open the Layout menu. Slides prints one large slide per page. You can also place 2, 3, 4, 6, or 9 slides on each page. The 3 slides per page option adds ruled lines beside each slide so people can write notes. If you want each slide paired with your presenter notes, choose Notes. If you only need the text content without images or design, select Outline. If you're using Microsoft 365 for Mac, you'll see a setting for print slide numbers on handouts. Uncheck it if you don't want slide numbers, leave it on if you do. When you're ready, choose how to output the handout. Click Print to send it straight to your printer, or click the PDF button for digital options. From the PDF menu, you can save as PDF to keep a copy, send in mail to attach it to a new email, or save to iCloud Drive to store it in the cloud. Finish up by confirming the location and file name if you're saving, or by sending the email if you chose mail. That's all it takes to create polished, shareable handouts from PowerPoint on your Mac. If this tutorial helped, give it a like and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.